Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart and ticker symbol GOGO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I'm going to say it the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and another good size amount of volume right around the average that it's been over the past few days. But the past few days has been, well average, above average compared to what the normal amount has been. So in other words, the chart remains active and the chart remains very strong, assuming you're bullish. So let's get some things mapped out here. First off, from the support side of things, one of the newest areas of support, what I would call the ideal level, is right up here at 475. Ideal meaning for say, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? Definitely if the price can stay up above that area. With that being said, don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below 475, then that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by this week, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from the overall chart perspective, as far as just measuring the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price is above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 475 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact that the party essentially stopped today right up there at the $5 mark. So $5 will be public enemy number one going forward. Although resistance levels really don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters is what the price has already been doing, and that is this right here. So as long as the price keeps on building those higher lows, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, so as long as the stair steps continue to be built in the upwards direction, then everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on the healthy consolidations and just sit back and let the overall trend continue to do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.